now!
Hello all, in today's presentation I will present an augmented reality prototype that I have developed in the CoSpaces Edu application as part of my final exam. But before we start, let's take a short look at the contents. The presentation will start with an introduction to the subject. Next, we will shortly examine the benefits of using augmented reality in the classroom. After that, characters and plot will be addressed. Then a video with the experience will be presented, and after that we will see students' opinions regarding the experience. Lastly, conclusion and references will conclude this last presentation. It is an augmented reality experience for first grade students in vocational secondary education that revolves around the safety and the good practices in an electrical engineering laboratory. It's a well-known fact for most educators that teach the electrical theory course that the unit which revolves around the safety in an electrical engineering laboratory is quite often described as boring. This augmented reality experience has been developed in an effort to engage students more. There are a lot of studies that indicate that the use of augmented reality aided students to achieve better learning outcomes. They increase engagement, recall, long-term retention, attention, motivation and effectiveness, cognitive and psychomotor skills. The main character is Professor Alvin, who has been held hostage by unknown captivators. A professor has been selected for the main character of the augmented reality storytelling experience in order for the student to feel connected with the content. His only way to be released is his students to solve a quiz about safety in the laboratory. Their effort to release their professor could potentially enhance their motivation to continue the project. In the plot also, the students have active participation again in order to feel connected to the content. In addition to that, a parrot who narrates the story participates as well. There are three main stages that the scenes take place. First, the mansion that professor is taken hostage. Second, teacher's lounge. And third, electrical theory class. The students receive a message that their professor has been held hostage. They try to find a solution on how to release him. They suddenly remember with a throwback that has been signaled with a reminiscent sound all the things that he had taught them in the classroom. This works as a turning point to the story plot, and the students know now what they have to do. A quiz is appearing, and upon its solution, the students manage to set their professor free. Before we continue, let's take a look at the augmented reality experience.
Welcome to the dark side of electrical engineering. Professor Alvin is skeptical. He is taken prisoner in an old mansion. His captorers doesn't want to pass his knowledge about laboratory good practices to the chosens.
My fate is in my students' hands. If they remember all my instructions about laboratory safety and good practices, I will be fine. My capturers rely on students not paying attention in class.
In the meantime, students in the Electrical Engineering Academy were wondering about their teacher.
Where is Professor Alvin? Does anyone see him?
He is late. This is so unlike him.
A few minutes later, a disturbing message arrived.
Your teacher has been held hostage. The only way to set him free is to answer right to a few questions.
If we could only remember what he had told us about laboratory safety, everything would be okay.
My lovely students, you have to remember that when it comes to electrical engineering, safety always comes first. For that reason, you have to follow some rules. First, never leave the laboratory without telling your supervisor. Second, avoid contact with energized electrical circuits. Third, disconnect the power source before servicing or repairing electrical equipment. Fourth, when it is necessary to handle equipment that is plugged in, Wear non-conductive gloves and shoes with insulated soles. 5th, if water or a chemical is spilled onto equipment, shut off power at the main switch or circuit breaker and unplug the equipment. And 6th, if an individual comes in contact with a live electrical conductor, do not touch the equipment, cord or person. Disconnect the power source from the circuit breaker or pull out the plug using a leather belt.
Let's go guys, we know what we have to do. Professor Alvin, thank God you are okay.
I knew that you were paying attention after all.
After that short video, let's see what students think about that experience. Well, this augmented reality prototype has been tested to a limited numbered group of first grade students. As this time of the year schools are closed, it was difficult to find more volunteers to participate. 6 students assessed the augmented reality experience. They used their mobile phones and they experienced it in augmented reality display. Upon competition, they were asked questions in Likert scale revolving around the content, the difficulty regarding its use, their opinion about the quiz and their overall satisfaction. Results indicate that they found the content interesting 5 out of 5, the use of the application not so easy, 3 of them gave it 3 out of 5, they found the quiz interesting, almost all of them gave 5 out of 5, and lastly, they all thought that the overall experience was satisfying. They said, I wish we could have the opportunity to experience that more often. In conclusion, the augmented reality prototype that has been developed with the application CoSpaces EDU attempted to provide a rich learning experience to first grade students in vocational secondary school. For that reasons, the characters selected to have similarities with their real-life experience. The students embarked in an adventure to release their professor who had been held captive. The results indicated that students satisfied with the experience, although the application itself was easy to navigate. Thank you for watching my video. Here is a list of relative articles.